4K QLED TV, 240Hz insanely high refresh rate, auto low latency mode, VRR, AMD FreeSync, all of these for only 49,999. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. TVs are getting quite competitive in the market guys. Today in the house we have a brand new model from Hisense just launched today in the market. It's their all new Tornado E7K 4K QLED TV, and as I've told you just now, it packs like next level features. It's got an insanely high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz plus all the gaming features you might be looking for on a TV. Not only that, as I've told you, it's a QLED TV, right? It's got Dolby Vision IQ support, Dolby Atmos is also there, and also has like a special 2.1 channel speaker system on board with a dedicated woofer at the back of the TV. I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about this model in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our new Hisense TV came in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, model we'll be checking out today is their all new Tornado E7K Pro series. It's a 4K QLED TV available in two different sizes. You get 55 inches and 65 inches. Today in the house we have the 55-inch variant, and on the box you can check out all of its main highlights and features. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open the packaging, there you go, we have our TV stands over here. Good looking stands, have like a metallic sort of finish, but they're actually made of polycarbonate. Keeping that aside, you also get like a wall mounting bracket included in the package over here, plus an accessory packet also, which includes your TV remote. Class minimalistic and has like lots of features and functions. We'll get back to this at a later part. You're also getting two AAA batteries for the remote and a mains cord for the TV, 4 installation screws for the stand, and lastly some paperwork. That's it. These were all the stuff we got in the package. And here's how our brand new Hisense 4K QLED TV looks like. Looks quite nice from our initial impressions. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the TV, install the stands, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. I've been using this Hisense TV at my home since the last couple of days, and there are so many points I'll be talking about, especially about its gaming related features. So make sure to watch it till the end and do not skip any part. First of all, let me tell you about the design and build quality. Hisense Tornado E7K Pro is a beautiful looking TV guys. I mean, especially for this price point. Look at that, you're getting like a 3-sided narrow bezel design. On the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but again that is also complemented with a nice metallic brushed sort of finish. You have the Hisense logo at the center, followed by a tiny status LED indicator and a power button just below that, and to the left and right side of the bezel, right, you have a sporty sort of racetrack sort of design guys. Definitely gives you that gaming sort of vibe everywhere, and the entire bezel all around the TV is covered in a matte textured sort of finish. Coming to the stands are also of good quality. As I've shown you during the unboxing, they're made of like polycarbonate material but have a matte metallic sort of finish in this gunmetal gray color. So I'll give you like a closer look at the backside profile as well and show you the TV. So this is how the TV looks from the backside. Clean, minimalistic, there's nothing much to talk about over here. Build quality, as I've told you, is very good. It's like a mix between metal and plastic guys. 70% area covered in metal while the remaining area is covered in a polycarbonate cover. I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. Most of the connectivity ports are present to the side over here, so even if you wall mount the TV, you can easily access them. You're getting one USB port over here, 4 HDMI ports are there, and out of them, one of them supports HDMI 2.1 with EARC, and this only has that enhanced 144Hz or 240Hz support. So make sure you connect your gaming consoles to these HDMI 2.1 ports. Below that, you have an antenna 1 and antenna 2 ports, plus AV in is also there, and a headphone jack is also available. Apart from that, you have 3 more connectivity ports to the back of the TV, which include an Ethernet LAN port, optical out is also there, and one more USB port. And on the other side is where you can easily connect the mains cord. So that was about the design and the build quality part. Keeping that aside, let me give you a closer look at the home screen and talk about the operating system you're getting, built-in apps and features and all of that. So there you go boys, here's how our brand new Hisense TV looks like. And first thing you'll have to keep in mind is this particular TV is powered by their VIDA OS. VIDA is an operating system specially designed for TVs and offers like intuitive and a very easy to read layout, and plenty of built-in apps and features are also there. Clean minimalistic UI also, guys. So I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, right? Everything felt like easy to use, and everything is like easily accessible from the home screen itself. Plenty of features are available. TV automatically keeps generating content and movies or any sort of recommendations depending on your interests and the type of content you watching. So on the home screen, right, you can check out variety of content from different apps, and there are so many apps built in over here, guys. You're getting like full list. Amazon Prime Video is there, Netflix is available, and Sony Live app is there. Plenty of OTT related apps are there. During my usage, I didn't find Disney Plus Hotstar app on this TV, guys. It was not available on App Store also, but apart from that, everything else was there. You can download so many apps and games from the built-in App Store right over here. If you go to the left side area here, you can check out a couple of categories, like there's a special search bar available, input menu is also there, and your settings. TV offers plenty of customization and options, especially in the picture and the sound settings, and also gaming settings as well. So coming to the picture settings, right, you're getting plenty of customizations, like you can adjust the backlighting, brightness, contrast, saturation. If you go to the expert settings, you can even adjust things like color space, gamma levels, and this one is your special high refresh rate mode. I've told you, right, TV supports up to like enhanced 240 Hz refresh rate. You can access that by simply enabling this feature. We'll come there and talk about that during the gaming performance period. Moving on, this is your sound settings. So we'll definitely talk about the speakers as well. They're special, guys. You're getting 2.1 channel audio system over here with Dolby Atmos support. You can adjust your EQ, personalize audio as per your requirement and stuff like that. Apart from that, now TV does support dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4G and 5 GHz band is there, and yes, Bluetooth support is also there. You can easily pair all your game pads and get like full-on gaming experience on this TV. So that's it about the operating system, built-in apps and UI. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the performance, right? So this TV is powered by a quad-core CPU, and overall performance has been good, especially navigating the whole VidaOS and switching, opening and closing of apps, all the transitions, everything felt quite smooth, and I didn't face much of lags or stutters anywhere, guys. Smooth and good experience on this TV. Alright, now comes the main part. How is the actual picture quality on this TV? So before we talk about that, let me quickly open up YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, play some web series, movies, just have a look at them, and then we'll come back and talk about the picture quality of this TV.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
You people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, before I share my personal feedback and opinion, keep in mind that it's like a gaming oriented TV, guys. You're getting 240 Hz high refresh rate, VRR support is there, auto low latency mode, AMD FreeSync Premium, all of these at a very reasonable price of only 49,999 rupees. That itself is like crazy, I would say. So do not compare it with like super expensive TVs or OLED level performance. No, it's not like a valid comparison at all. For this price point, what you're getting is like really good. And I've been using this TV, right? Picture quality over here was like quite impressive. No, I'm not exaggerating. You people saw the demos. It's a 4K TV at 55 inches, and there was great amount of detail. Everything looked crisp and clear, guys. Either it be like web series, movies, or even YouTube videos, you'll be like plenty satisfied with the detail. And yes, TV also supports 4K upscaling. So even if you're watching like low resolution content, TV does like a fine job with the upscaling part. If you come to the colors were also nice and accurate, all thanks to that QLED panel. I've told you now, it's a QLED TV. QLED stands for quantum dot LED. So you're actually getting like a quantum dot nanoparticle layer on the front. So when light strikes these nanoparticles, right, they produce strikingly beautiful and vivid looking colors. And because of that, it is capable of producing up to 1 billion color range. It's actually like a 10-bit panel, 8-bit plus FRC, and color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were like on point, guys. And good thing because of that is I didn't need to customize and tweak the color options a lot in the settings. It was like good to go out of the box. If you talk about the contrast levels were fine, though black levels were not that black, so I lacked that little bit of punch. But again, for this price point, you cannot complain much, guys. It was doing a very good job, I would say. Viewing angles were also nice, but if you go to the extreme viewing angles, there you might feel the colors were slightly getting faded, but most of the area it was doing a good job. And one more good thing is TV is also anti-reflective, anti-glare coated, so you can see that reflections are quite minimum on the panel. Coming to the brightness of the TV is also good and sufficient, no matter even if you use it in your bedroom or even if your living room, guys, with lots of brightness. Now a lot of windows are there, nothing to worry about. You can easily watch the TV with like sufficient brightness. And finally, coming to the HDR performance, good thing is TV supports Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 plus adaptive, HLG support is also there. So watching movies in HDR would be like a blast over here. I watched like a couple of content on Netflix and Prime Video and was like pretty satisfied, guys, with the overall experience. Keeping that aside, let me tell you about the audio experience as well. Audio speakers are quite special over here. This is not like your regular TV, guys. In fact, you're getting like a special 2.1 channel setup. Along with your stereo speakers, TV also offers like a dedicated woofer at the back, guys. This is something you don't get to see on regular TVs. And because of this, right, the whole audio experience you're getting was like very close to like a soundbar level experience. Good amount of clarity, all the vocals were like clear and audible, and there was like good detail in the instrumentals as well. And since it had like a woofer, right, the overall sound profile had a nice warm and mellow feel to it with a little bit of bass. I was not expecting that, guys. So overall sound quality was also like pretty decent. It's like a full-on entertainment package, guys. Distortion also minimum even if you go up to like 90% volume, though I felt audio output could have been slightly higher. Keeping all of that aside, now let's talk about the actual part you people have been waiting for. How's the gaming experience on this TV? It's got like crazy next level gaming features for this price point, guys. First is you're getting an insanely high 240 Hz refresh rate support. Auto low latency mode is there. VRR support is also there. AMD FreeSync Premium, and all of these combined will offer you like crazy good gaming experience for this price point. So there are a couple of settings you'll actually need to enable before you can experience that enhanced high refresh rate mode. So what you need to do is simply go to the picture settings, and in the expert settings tab, here you'll need to enable this high refresh rate mode. Then only you'll get that special enhanced 144 Hz or 240 Hz mode. Though there is one thing I do have to mention, guys. 240 Hz is only available at 1080p resolution. In 4K resolution, the maximum refresh rate you'll get on this TV is 120 Hz. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. If you want to experience that buttery smooth 240 Hz or maybe like enhanced 144 Hz, right, you'll need to switch the resolution to like 1080p. I've played like a couple of games on this TV and had an overall great gaming experience, either it be on PS5 or even on my gaming PC. It's like a perfect partner for gaming console, especially if you're looking for a TV around 50,000 rupees, as it also has like auto low latency mode, VRR support is there, and they automatically switch on when you connect a compatible gaming console. Most of the gaming consoles these days support a max of up to 4K 120 formats only. So to fully utilize TV's potential, either at that enhanced 144 Hz or 240 Hz, you will definitely need to connect like a powerful gaming PC, and that is when you can fully enjoy the gaming experience. Even has like AMD's FreeSync Premium, right, so you can say goodbye to any sort of screen tearing problems. And last but not the least, TV also has like a useful game bar feature, which they're calling it as Game Mode Pro, and it automatically turns on when you connect a gaming PC or a gaming console. It can be easily accessed using the remote control only, and there you go, here's how it looks like. It shows you the current refresh rate, the VRR status, AMD FreeSync on off toggle is there, and a couple of other shortcuts to adjust the aspect ratio, brightness and dark detail. Well, that's it, our video on Hisense all new Tornado E7K Pro 4K QLED TV. It's a super value for money gaming TV with crazy features on board. As I've told you, it's available in two different size variants. You get 55 inches and 65 inches, and has a special introductory launch price offer for the first 7 days. 55-inch variant will cost you around 49,999 and the 65-inch model at 64,999 and is exclusively available on Amazon. Plus, the brand is also offering a limited time period 4-year comprehensive warranty for those who buy this TV in the first 7 days of the launch period. Links for all these products are available in the description box below, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this content and got full information on the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.